Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about integration level 3 type questions. Question number 55. If the graph of the antiderivative capital f of x equal to log x plus log x whole power minus 2 passes through e comma 2014 minus c, then the term independent of x in capital F of x is k. Then the sum of digits of k is, this is the capital F of x is the antiderivative of this function. Antiderivative means integration. Here independent of x in f of x is constant term, that is represent k. Then find the sum of the digits of the k. Here to find the k value by using this passing through the point. Here capital F of x is equal to small f of x is equal to antiderivative means integration. Integration of log x plus log x whole power minus 2 dx. This is the question. Here apply the integration into two parts. Log x, here it will take 1 dx. In this case, to apply integration by parts, plus integration of log x whole power minus 2 dx. Here u is equal to log x, v is equal to 1. To apply the integration by parts formula, u log x integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of log x integration of 1 dx whole dx plus integration of log x whole power minus 2 dx. Log x integration of 1 dx is x. D by dx of log x 1 by log x. D by dx of log x 1 by log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Here integration of 1 dx x dx plus integration of log x whole power minus 2 dx. Here x get cancelled. Here also apply integration by parts. Here u is equal to, this is u is equal to 1 by log x. Here v is equal to 1. Again applying the integration by parts formula. X log x minus of 1 by log x integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of 1 by log x integration of 1 dx whole dx bracket plus integration of log x whole power minus 2 dx. Next continuous. X log x here multiply with minus 1 by log x integration of 1 dx x minus 1 by log x integration of 1 dx x minus into minus plus integration of d by dx of 1 by log x, 1 by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by log x whole square. Log x differentiation 1 by x integration of 1 dx x dx plus integration of log x whole power minus 2 dx. Here this x get cancelled. Plus into minus minus. F of x equal to x log of log x minus x by log x plus into minus minus 1 by log x whole power minus 2. 1 by log x whole square can be written as log x whole power minus 2 dx plus integration of log x whole power minus 2 dx. These two terms get cancelled. F of x is equal to x log of log x minus x by log x. Here let it be the constant term, let it be k. Here this graph, this is the curve, passes through this entire term equal to, let y is equal to f of x equal to x log of log x minus x by log x plus k. It passes through e comma 2014 minus c. Here in x apply e, in y 2014 minus c. 2014 minus c x e log e. In x substitute log e. Log e is equal to 1, log 1 0. This term is 0. Here in x e log e 1, e by 1 e minus c plus k. Here to observe that minus of x log x, minus of x log x, log a value 1, cancel. Okay, minus c get cancelled. Minus c get cancelled. Then k equal to 2014. K is equal to 2014. Here, then the sum of the digits of k. Sum of the digits of k, 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. This is the answer. Third option is correct. Question number 56. If integration of cube root of 1 plus 2x cubed whole square by x power 6 dx equal to minus 1 by k into L plus 1 by x cubed whole power m by n plus c. Here see the constant of integration. HCF of m and n is 1. To find the value of k plus L plus m plus n, these are the 4 options. Here in this question, to find k, L, m and n values by using this integration of cube root of 1 plus 2x cubed whole square by x power 6 dx. Here this can be written as integration of 1 plus 2x cubed whole power 2 by 3 by x power 6 dx. Here x cubed is common. Integration of x cubed is common. 1 by x cubed plus 2 whole power 2 by 3 by x power 6 dx. X cubed, this is x cubed whole power 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, x square 1 by x cubed plus 2 whole power 2 by 3 by x power 6 dx. Here x square, x power 6 cancelled, get cancelled. Integration of 1 by x cubed plus 2 whole power 2 by 3 into 1 by x power 4, x square, x power 6 get cancelled, x power 4 dx. The differentiation of 1 by x cubed plus 2, differentiation, minus 3 by x power 4. Here multiply with minus 3, divide with minus 3, minus 1 by 3, 1 by x cubed plus 2 whole power 2 by 3 minus 3 by x power 4 dx. Here observe that this is the f of x, this is the f dash x. D by dx of 1 by x cubed plus 2 equal to minus 3 by x power 4. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. N equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 1, 5 by 3. By 5 by 3, 5 by 3 can be reciprocal. Minus 1 by 3, 3 by 5, 1 by x cubed plus 2 whole power 5 by 3. Here plus c is the constant of integration. 3 get cancelled. Minus 1 by 5, 1 by x cubed plus 2 whole power 5 by 3 plus c. Compare with the given result. Here k equal to 5. K equal to 5. 1 by x cubed is there, 1 by x cubed is there, plus 2. L equal to 2. M and n. M by n. M also 5. N equal to 3. Here HCF of m and n is 1. Okay, check it. The HCF of m and n 1. To check 3 5s, 3 1s 3, 2. Here 3 is there. 2 1s 2, 1. 1 2 2. Here HCF of m and n 1 divided by 5, 3 also divided by. SCF of m and 1 is 1. Then the sum of the digits, sum of k plus l plus m plus n. Here k equal to 5, l equal to 2, m equal to 5, n equal to 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. This is the answer. Third option is correct. Question number 57. If f of 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 equal to x plus 2, here x does not equal to minus 4 by 3. And integration of f of x dx equal to a log mod 1 minus x plus b of x plus c is given. To find the order pair of a comma b, here c the constant of integration. This is the question from 2017 mains online question. This is here the 4 options are given. Given f of 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 2. Here let t is equal to 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4. Cross multiply with t into 3x, 3xt plus 4t equal to 3x minus 4. Here it is changed into x in terms of t. The value can be converted into x in terms of t, plus 3x becomes minus 3x, 3xt plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Here minus 4 plus 4t becomes minus 4t. Here if x is common, 3t minus 3. If x is common, 3t minus 3, minus 4 minus 4t. X is equal to minus 4 minus 4t by 3t minus 3. If here minus is common, 4t plus 4. Here minus common, 3 minus 3t, minus minus get cancelled. 4t plus 4 by 3 minus 3t. X is equal to 4t plus 4 by 3 minus 3t. This is the x value. Here f of 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 is equal to x plus 2. 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4, t. F of t is equal to x. X value 4t plus 4. 4t plus 4 by 3 minus 3t. 3 minus 3t plus 2. Here 3 minus 3t is the LCM. 4t plus 4. 2 into 3. 6. 2 into 3. Minus 60 by 3 minus 3t. Here minus 60 plus 4t. Minus 2t. Minus 60 plus 4t. Minus 2t. 6 plus 4. 10 by 3 minus 3t. This is the problem. Minus 2t plus 10 by 3 minus 3t. F of t equal to. Then f of x equal to. F of x is equal to minus 2x plus 10 by minus 3x plus 3. F of x equal to. Here to find integration of f of x dx. Integration of f of x dx is equal to integration of minus 2x plus 10 by minus 3x plus 3 dx. Here divided by this term minus 3x plus 3 minus 2x plus 10. Minus 2x by minus 3x, xx get cancelled, 2 by 3. You multiply with 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, minus 2x, 2 by 3 here also, 3 get cancelled, plus 2. 2x get cancelled, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2, 8. Here 2 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 8 by minus 3x plus 3. Minus 3x plus 3. Then apply the integration, this term. Integration of 2 by 3 plus 8 by, here minus 3 is common. Minus 3 is common. Minus 3 is common. X minus 1 or plus 3 is common. If 3 is common, 1 minus x. Here it is in the form of 1 minus x form. 3 is common, 1 minus x dx. Integration of 2 by 3 dx. 2 by 3x. Here 8 by 3. Integration of 1 by ax plus b. Integration of 1 by ax plus b dx. 1 by a. Here x coefficient is minus 1. 1 by minus 1 log mod 1 minus x plus c. Plus into minus minus. 2 by 3x minus 8 by 3 log mod 1 minus x plus c. Here compare the values. B, x coefficient b equal to 2 by 3. Log mod 1 minus x coefficient a. Capital A equal to minus 8 by 3. B equal to 2 by 3. The order pair A comma B. A comma B is minus 8 by 3 comma 2 by 3. That is second option is correct. Question number 58. Integration of e power x 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus cot square x plus pi by 4 dx. Here the four options are given. Integration of e power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus cot square x plus pi by 4 dx. Here this value can be changed into cot of x plus pi by 4. is equal to cot theta 1 by tan theta 1 by tan of x plus pi by 4. Here apply tan a plus b formula. Tan pi by 4 plus x 1 by 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. This value is reciprocal. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. It is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x. Tan of pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Here tan minus is common. X minus pi by 4. Tan of minus theta minus tan theta minus tan of x minus pi by 4. Integration of e power x into 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x plus cot of x plus pi by 4 equal to minus tan of x minus pi by 4. Here apply in a square, minus is plus tan square x minus pi by 4 dx. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta is equal to integration of e power x 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x. Tan square x minus pi by 4 is equal to secant square x minus pi by 4 minus 1 dx. You take 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x minus 1 term. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan x minus 1 to apply the LCM. Integration of e power x 2 tan x, here minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus into minus minus tan x by 1 plus tan x plus secant square x minus pi by 4 dx. Here 2 tan x minus tan x, 2 tan x minus tan x, tan x. Integration of e power x 2 tan x minus tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x plus secant square x minus pi by 4 dx. Here to observe that minus of tan of x minus pi by 4 equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Here to observe that 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is equal to minus of tan of x minus pi by 4. Here minus is common. Tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x. Minus is common. Tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x minus tan of x minus pi by 4. Here minus get cancelled. Tan x minus 1 by 1 plus tan x is equal to tan x minus pi by 4. Here substitute integration of e power x tan of x minus pi by 4 plus secant square into x minus pi by 4 dx. Here observe that this is f of x. d by dx of tan x secant square x. Tan of x minus pi by 4 is f of x. This is the f dash x. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x is equal to e power x into f of x. E power x into tan of x minus pi by 4 plus c. Tan of x minus pi by 4 plus c. Second option is correct. Question number 59. The value of integration of x square plus x multiply with x power minus 8 plus 2x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10 dx. These are the four options given. Integration of x square plus x into x power minus 8 plus 2x power minus 9 whole power 1 by 10 dx. Here in this question, integration of x is common, x plus 1. Here whole power 1 by 10 is given. Here multiply with x power 10 and divide with x power 10. X power 10 into x power minus 8 plus 2x power minus 9 by x power 10 whole power 1 by 10 dx. Integration of x into x plus 1. Here multiply with x power 10. X power 10 into x power 8, x square. X power 10 into x power minus 9, x 10 minus 9, 1 plus 2x whole power 1 by 10. Here in denominator x power 10 whole power 1 by 10, 10 10 get cancelled by x dx. This x get cancelled. Here d by dx of x square plus 2x, 2x plus 2, the differentiation. Here 2 is common, x plus 1. This is f of x. If f dash is there, here value 2 is to multiply with 2 and divide with 2. The value is 2. Here in this place the value is 2 is necessary. Multiply with 2 and divide with 1, 2. X square plus 2x whole power 1 by 10 divide with 2, multiply with 2, 2 into x plus 1 dx. Here this is f of x. X square plus 2x is f of x. This value equal to f dash x. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. F of x whole power n plus 1, 1 by 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. In denominator 11 by 10 can be reciprocal 10 by 11. 1 by 2 into 10 by 11. X square plus 2x whole power 11 by 10 plus c. Here 2 ones to 2 5s. 5 by 11 x square plus 2x whole power 11 by 10 plus c. Here 5 by 11 in this question, 5 by 11 x square plus 2x whole power 11 by 10. First option is correct. Question number 60. Integration of e power x power 4 into x plus x cubed plus 2x power 5 into e power x square dx. Here the 4 options are given. This is also important model. Integration of e power x power 4 x plus x cubed plus 2x power 5 e power x square dx. Here to observe that here power 1 in this power 3 power 5 the odd numbers can be converted into even number. Multiply with x and divide with x. E power x power 4, e power x power 4 x square whole square. Multiply with x, x into x plus x cubed plus 2x power 5 divide with x, e power x square dx. Integration of e power x square whole square, x into x, x square, x into x cubed, x power 4, x power 5 into x, x power 6, here 2 is there, 2x power 6, 2x power 6 by x, e power x square dx. Integration of e power x square whole square, x square, x power 4 can be written as x square whole square, x power 6, 2 into x square whole cubed by x, e power x square dx. Here let x square equal to t. Let x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. 2x dx equal to dt. 2x dx equal to dt. dx equal to 1 by 2x dt. 1 by 2x dt. Here in this question 1 by x is there. 1 by x dx. Okay, dx is equal to 1 by 2x dt. Integration of x square t e power t square, x square substitute t e power t square, x square equal to t, x square equal to t square, here x square equal to t plus 2t cubed by x square equal to t e power t, dx equal to 1 by 2x dt. Here 1 by 2 is common, x into x, x square. In x square substitute t, x into x square substitute t. 1 by 2 e power t square, t plus t square plus 2t cubed e power t by x into x square. In this place substitute t by t 1 by 2 e power t square into e power t, here dt, t by t 1 plus t square by t t plus 2t cubed by t 2t square dt. Here 1 by 2 e power t square into 1, e power t square into 1, e power t square into t into e power t square 2 into e power t square into t square dt. 1 by 2 integration of e power t, here e power t square into t, this is one term, plus e power t square plus t square into 2 e power t square. This is the another term. To observe that this is f of t. Here apply UV rule. E power t square d by dt of t 1 e power t square plus here e power t into t, next t into here one set e power t square into 1 e power t square into t by t get cancelled, e power t square into t one set. Here apply UV rule, e power t square d by dt of t 1, next t e power t square, this is the UV rule apply, d by dt of e power t square into t, e power t square d by dt of t 1 plus t into e power t square t square differentiation is 2t, t into t square e power 2 e power t square. This is f of t, this is f dash t. This is f of t, this is f dash t. Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x, e power x f of x, 1 by 2 e power t square 1 by 2 e power t into e power t square t plus c. This is the answer. T equal to x square 1 by 2 e power x square whole square e power x power 4 x square plus c, 1 by 2 x square e power x power 4 plus c. Fourth option is right. Question number 61. Integration of x log of x plus root 1 plus x square by root 1 plus x square dx equal to a into root 1 plus x square log of x plus root of 1 plus x square plus bx plus c. These are the four options given. Integration of x into log of x plus root 1 plus x square by root 1 plus x square dx. Here integration of log of x plus root of 1 plus x square into x by root of 1 plus x square dx. Here apply integration by parts formula. U is equal to log of x plus root 1 plus x square. V is equal to x by root 1 plus x square. Apply integration by parts. U into log of x plus root 1 plus x square. Integration of v dx, x by root 1 plus x square dx minus d by dx of log of x plus root 1 plus x square. Integration of x by root 1 plus x square dx whole dx. Here observe that f dash is by root f of x, 2 root f of x. 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. Multiply 2 and divide with 2. Log of x plus root 1 plus x square 1 by 2 integration of 2x by root 1 plus x square dx. D by dx of log x 1 by x, 1 by x plus root 1 plus x square. The differentiation d by dx of x 1 root x 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square differentiation 2x. Here also multiply with 2 and divide with 2. 1 by 2 integration of 2x by root 1 plus x square whole dx. Log of x plus root 1 plus x square. Integration of f dash is by root f of x, 2 root f of x, 1 by 2, 2 root 1 plus x square minus, here 2 get cancelled, integration of 1 by x plus root 1 plus x square. LCM is root 1 plus x square, root 1 plus x square plus x by root 1 plus x square. Here 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2. Integration of f dash is by root f of x, 2 root f of x, 2 root 1 plus x square dx. Here 2 get cancelled, x plus root 1 plus x square, this term get cancelled, root 1 plus x square, root 1 plus x square get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. Root 1 plus x square log of x plus root 1 plus x square. Here integration of 1 dx x minus x plus c. Compare with the given result. Root 1 a into root 1 plus x square. Root 1 plus x square log of x plus root 1 plus x square. Here a equal to 1. A equal to 1. And compare with bx. Here x coefficient is plus b. Here x coefficient is minus 1. b equal to minus 1. First option is correct. Question number 62. Let f of x equal to x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n for n greater than or equal to 2 and g of x is equal to f circle f and so on x f of x. Here f occurs n times. Then integration of x power n minus 2 g of x dx. These are the 4 options given. Here f of x equal to f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n is given. Here n greater than or equal to 2. G of x is f circle of f of x occurs n times. First to find f circle of f of x. F of x. F of x is x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. This is f of x. Next substitute in x. X is equal to x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. X by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n by 1 plus, here x equal to x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n, here whole power n, to apply f of x. F of x is equal to x by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. Next to substitute this value in x. In x, x plus 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n by 1 plus in x plus 1 plus x power n whole power n. Here whole power 1 by n is there. 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n is there. Here this is x power n, this is x power n, 1 by n whole power n get cancelled. X by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n by 1 plus x power n by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n get cancelled, whole power 1 by n. Here LCM is 1 plus x power n. 1 plus x power n, 1 plus 2x power n. X by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n by 1 plus x power n into x plus x power n, 2x power n. 1 plus 2x power n by 1 plus x power n whole power 1 by n. This power can be taken, this is also whole power 1 by n. This term get cancelled. F circle f of x is equal to x by 1 plus 2x power n whole power 1 by n. This is the result. If f circle f is taken, here 2 is there. Next f circle f of x is there, here 3 is there. Next f circle f of 4 is there. Occurring g of x is equal to f circle and so on, circle of f of x occurring n times. Here in this place substitute n, x by 1 plus n x power n whole power 1 by n. G of x is equal to x by 1 plus n x power n whole power 1 by n. In this question, to find integration of x power n minus 2 into g of x dx. Integration of x power n minus 2, g of x is equal to x by 1 plus n into x power n whole power 1 by n dx. X power n minus 2, x power 1, x power n minus 1, x power n minus 1, 1 by 1 plus n x power n whole power 1 by n can be written in numerator. In numerator, 1 plus n x power n whole power minus 1 by n dx. Here to observe that this differentiation d by dx of 1 plus n x power n differentiation 1 0 x power n into x power n minus 1, already n is there, n square x power n minus 1. Here x power n minus 1 is there, multiply n square and divided by n square. 1 by n square, 1 plus n x power n whole power minus 1 by n into n square x power n minus 1 dx. Here formula, this is f of x. This is f dash x. F of x whole power n by f dash x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. 1 by n square 1 plus n x power n minus 1 by n plus 1. Here also minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here LCM is n minus 1 plus n by n. This is reciprocal. 1 by n square minus 1 plus n by n reciprocal n by n minus 1. N by n minus 1. 1 plus n x power n. This can be written as 1 minus 1 by n plus c. 1 minus 1 by n plus c. Here n get cancelled. 1 by n into n minus 1. 1 plus n x power n whole power 1 minus 1 by n plus c. Here first option is correct. Question number 63. Integration of 2 sin 2 pi minus cos pi by 6 minus cos square pi minus 4 sin pi d pi. Integration of 2 sin 2 pi minus cos pi by 6 minus cos square pi minus 4 sin pi d pi. Sin 2a formula apply. 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2 pi. 2 sin pi cos pi. Here 2 is there. 2 into 2 4. 4 sin pi cos pi minus cos pi. Identity. Cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square pi 1 minus sin square pi. Here multiply with minus 6. Cos square pi is equal to 1 minus sin square pi. Minus 1 plus sin square pi minus 4 sin pi d pi. Here cos pi is common. 4 sin pi. Cos pi is common. Minus 1 into cos pi. First note down sin square pi minus 4 sin pi. Sin square pi minus 4 sin pi. 6 minus 1 5 d pi. Here let sin pi equal to t. Differentiate with respect to 2 pi on both sides. Cos pi d pi equal to dt. Integration of 4t minus 1 cos pi d pi dt by t square minus 4t plus 5. Here apply the method. 4t minus 1 equal to a into d by dt of t square minus 4t plus 5 plus b. 4t minus 1 equal to a into t square d by dt of t square 2t d by dt of 4t t1 minus 4 constant 0 plus b. Coefficient of t, compare on both sides. Coefficient of t. 2a is equal to 4. 2a is equal to 4. a is equal to 2. 2 ones to 2 to get cancelled. Next constant term, comparing on both sides. Constant term. Constant term minus 4a plus b. Minus 4a plus b equal to minus 1. Here a equal to 2. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus b equal to minus 1. b equal to minus 8 becomes plus 8 plus 8 minus 1 7. b equal to 7. Here apply the value 4t minus 1. 4t minus 1 equal to 2 into 2t minus 4 plus 7. In the formula, this is the integration of 4t minus 1 dt by t square minus 4t plus 5. 4t minus 1 equal to this value. It separate into two integrations. 2 into 2t minus 4, 2t minus 4 by 2t minus 4 by t square minus 4t plus 5 dt plus 7 into dt by t square minus 4t plus 5. Here 2 into integration of f dash x by f of x. This is f of x, this is f dash x. 2 log mod t square minus 4t plus 5 plus 7. It can be converted into dt t square. Here 4t can be written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 tt. Here b is 2, b square, add 4 and subtract 4 plus 5. 2 log mod t square minus 4t plus 5 plus 7 into integration of dt by this entire term t square minus 2ab, here 4 equal to 2 square, t minus 2 whole square, t minus 2 whole square, 5 minus 4 plus 1. It is in the form of integration of dx by 1 plus x square tan inverse x plus c. 2 log mod t square minus 4t plus 5 plus 7 tan inverse t minus 2 plus c. T is equal to sin pi. 2 log mod sin square pi minus 4 sin pi plus 5 plus 7 into tan inverse of sin pi minus 2 plus c. This is the answer. The second option is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and also if you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.